It's okay, in the mail. I was just watching, and the car, another car. I was watching, and there, and I saw mailman. Mailman go to the mailbox. That's a mailbox. Mailman gave me some packages. I love packages. Let's go. I don't like when I break nails. I don't know how I broke that nail, but I broke enough 2 nails. I'm opening them outside. Squishmallows. 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 Let's go. Squishmallows. Yes. Don't wonder why there's so much dirt and down there's muddy. And we had a storm. It was raining everywhere, and this whole area was flooded. You know, our garden looks like a mess. Oh, he looks dirty. Yes. This is my love. Which one should we open? The rainbow squishmallow package? Or the neon? Neon or rainbow? Let's do it. Hold them with my feet. 3, 2, 1. Dip it. Dobby, you are not it. Ooh, we're doing that. Neon one to the side. Let's shake it so we don't kill anything. Good petals, and we'll snip. Shape. I guess at the top. I think someone mailed these to me and made it. Because these do not look like normal squishmallows. Okay, let's first find the checklist if there is one. Oh, that one. Alright, the colors are red and green. The colors are red and green. There's people. Red and green. Let's open. Let's do it again. The big dog bean are not it. So we're doing green first. Let's find green. Ooh, it's a neon. It's a neon green. Cute little neon green. Shake. Yeah, someone definitely made these and gave them to me. Snip. What squishmallow are we getting? Ooh, yeah, that someone definitely made these. Those are cute. It's a little zebra. I think I have this zebra. So cute. This is a zebra. So cute. The little pink ones. I think I have this exact zebra, but that's pink. They made a boy zebra. A little boy zebra. Okay. Next one on the agenda we are doing is red. Oh, ow! Scratched me. It scratched me. But shaking it down, here's a little red one. So cute. one single set. Little cat, little cat, little cute cat. My friend has this one. It's really cute. Little cute cat. So cute. Okay, whoever sent me the rainbow one, thank you so much. Yep. And I'm putting them all back so I do not lose them. Because we are not littering. I think they all have two. I think they should all have two. I think both of them have two. But they have a little checklist. That one was a cute little checklist, or I think it was just a coloring page. I think it was a checklist because it had both of the colors. So I think that was a little checklist, but I forgot to write checklist. Now we're doing neon. This was just the one that we just did. We're doing neon. Neon. It's backwards, I think. I don't know. Because I don't really read most of my videos. Oh, neon. Okay. And it's another snapshot. I like doing it at the very, very top, small as I can get, but then I don't like rip it back in. So look at the colors, find the checklist. Ooh, is that it? Yep. It says checklist in a little green. So we have yellow, and we have orange. Yellow and orange little checklist. Yellow and orange little checklist. Let's do our little dip. Dog beat you on it. Ooh, oranges. We're doing first. Ooh, it's another neon. Ooh, I think I found it. It's neon right there. They're the same. Cute. Okay. Two down. Yeah, I'm just showing you this is neon. I think they tried to like draw something, but they couldn't, so they used that as the packaging. Look how small I did it. Yeah. Let's open this one. We're gonna have to do a big cut. It's a bit sticky. Sherbet sticker. Ooh, I see it. I saw a horn, maybe a unicorn. I think it's a unicorn panda. Because I also have a unicorn panda. You cute little unicorn panda. Alright, let's pull it back out of its little habitat. Boop, boop. Cute. That's so cute. Now next we're doing yellow. Catch it. Oh, it's also a little neon. You can see it's a little blurred. It's turquoise. Right. Must be ready at the bottom so we can snip. Ooh, I see it. It's a fish. Ooh, look at stuff. I have this one. It's so cute. So cute. Look how cute this is. There's Benny. Look how cute this one is. It's a little fishy of Sheldon. I have this one, but it's named Sheldon. I think it's also Sheldon. So let's pack up and then I'll show you what I think that they are. Because I have this one, so I think I have them exactly. I think I definitely have every single one. Except for the cat. My friend has the cat, I think. Because it's the exact same. It's a cat. Exact same color. So yeah. So let's keep these two. over the back. This is the first one. His name is Sheldon. And that's why I thought it was Sheldon, because it looks so cute like Sheldon. Okay. Panda. This one, this is Tracy. And this is Tracy. So, and then I don't have the cat. So, yeah. Bye. I think whoever sent me those, because I didn't write a name. Yeah. Bye.